Hello student, now we will study the chapter first, some basic concept of chemistry of class 11th. This topic will be discussed by the presentation. Now let's start the topic. Now we study chapter 1 of class 11th, some basic concept of chemistry. In this chapter, the first topic we discuss is some basic concept of chemistry. At first, we define the chemistry, the branch of science which deals with the study of material that make up the universe is called chemistry. It means the whole material which make up a universe is known as chemistry, or the branch of science which deals about the makeup of universe is called chemistry. And now we discuss about the application of chemistry, the various application of chemistry in different fields. The first one is agricultural field. In agricultural field, there are many uses of chemistry we discuss below. First, chemical fertilizer. The chemical fertilizer like NPK, dinitrogen phosphate, etc. are made up with the help of chemistry or its uses. The second one is pesticide like DDT, malathion are used to kill different pests or insects which affect the agricultural land or the agricultural crops. The next topic is weedicide, and within weedicide, which are unwanted plant grows in agricultural field, which are destroyed by the weedicides chemicals like 2,4-D, BHC, etc. Now the next topic is chemical mutants. During agricultural improvement or improvement of agricultural products, we uses chemical mutants for hybriding of different crops and their varieties. The hybrid paddies are developed with the help of chemical mutants like mustard gas, ethyl methyl sulfonate or sodium azide. The plant hormones are also chemical in nature, or they may be chemically made artificially. These are auxin, gibberellin, cytokinin, etc. This helps in proper growth and development of plant. Now we discuss the uses of chemistry in industries. In different industries, the different type of products developed or manufactured with the help of uses of chemistry or chemical uses. For example, the first one is dyes. The dyes which are used to color different fabrics and other materials are manufactured with the help of chemical uses or by the knowledge of chemistry. The next is soap and detergents. Soap and detergents are widely manufactured for our daily uses, which is a product, which is a product of chemistry or its uses. Next is polymers. Polymers like plastic, synthetic fibers, polythene. These are the different types of natural man-made polymers which are produced with the help of chemical combination, chemical reaction or uses of chemistry. This provide us a lot of things which are helpful in our day-to-day life. It also enhances our standard of living. Now, the next we discuss the alloys like steel, bronze, brass, which are more durable than the natural metals like iron and others. They have less rusting tendency and more durable. These alloys are made by the help of chemical reactions, chemical combination or uses of chemistry. Now we discuss the uses of chemistry or the uses of different technologies of chemistry in medical fields. The different medicines were manufactured with the help of chemistry or its uses. The first is antibiotics. The antibiotics are the chemicals which are obtained from microorganisms and which are used to kill or reduce the growth of microorganisms which are produced by microorganism or chemically by different technologies which are chemical in nature or a boon of chemistry. The next one is antipyretics. These are the drugs which uses to reduce fever, body temperature. For example, paracetamol. It is a medicine which uses to reduce fever or body temperature. It is also a product of chemistry or chemical uses. Next one, analgesic. These are the drugs to reduce pain. Antacid. These are the medicines which uses to reduce the acidity of our stomach. And some life-saving drugs like cisplatin and Taxol effectively used in cancer. The next one drug, an important drug or medicine, that is azithromycin, azithromycin, which is used to treat AIDS patient. Now we also discuss some other uses of chemistry in different fields. The first one is medical lab technology. In medical lab technology, there was a different tests, serological tests, blood tests and other tests performed on the basis of the formulas and uses of chemistry or chemical reactions. The next one is in microbiological tests. The microbiological tests are performed on the basis of chemical principles or the principles of chemistry that are helpful to diagnose a microbes in chemical field or with the help of chemistry. Now the biochemical areas, the different biological components which are formed by the combination of different chemical compounds which are helpful for a living organisms are also the product of chemistry or its application. Next is biotechnology. It is a newly rising field and most advanced field which is helpful to produce a large number of drugs like insulin and other antibiotics. This field is grows on the basis of chemical reactions or principle of chemistry. The last one is qualitative and quantitative analysis. The different components present in a sample of a given solution or other components are diagonized, are their amount will be calculated on the basis of chemical principle or chemical with the help of chemistry. In this way, there is a broad uses of chemistry in different fields. Apart from this, if we started to discuss the uses of chemistry, there will be a long list of its use. So, chemistry is very helpful, very productive field for us. Now, we will discuss the other topics in next class. Thanks.